Captain Ball. Petrogas. Sino yung meeting ka yan? Let me see the first win. Let's start the game between Petrogas and Creamline Gold Smashers. Pasuyutan mo sa mga nasa stage. Can you please shut down the video and turn on again? Pasuyutan po, papatay yung video, tapos pasin din ulit. Para hindi na pumunta si Miss Skill. Thank you so much, Kiefer. May initiative lang. Okay na daw atin. Live, sino pa next game? Pa-update naman po sa next game. Sim. Admin, sino po next game? Versus next leg. Chocomocho. Next game, Chocomocho versus next, ay Farm Fresh. Let's start the game between the under 15 versus, ayun na siya, Halika. Turus siya. Batillar chooses Doka. Outside, don't check. Outside. It's outside. Ayan na! 1 point na sila. Sino ka naman kasi mag-serve dyan, no? Official score, deadlock, 1. Now serving for Team Creamline, Mr. Benji Musli, the RDL team. Vizcara, tiba-tiba yan. Score, 2-1. Ayun na sila, nabubuhayan. JP Neda, baka naman. Negative ball on the service line. Batillar chooses Ruska. Ruska, soft touch. What does the bar move there? Now serving, Madam Leo, the owner of Angeles City. Vizcara, nice skill. Official score, 3-2. Now serving! Halta na, ayan na yan. Miss Pineda to Benji. Nakapastura pa. Ay, baka na ito. Score! 4-2 in favor of the number 1 team. Ay!
Ano yan, di ba?
Ayan na sila! Uy! Kaya kasi maging masaya naman. Oh yan, tama. Marvin! Cheer! Uncle! Batillar chooses. Ay! Ayan, tama naman yung video. Serving, Mr. Sergey Luka. Ma-receive by JP Neda. Vizcara, what in? Running for the number 1, standing. Service by Vizcara. 3-point lead by Team Petrogas. Smart move by Mr. Ruska. Sayang, pinag-aabot ni Mr. Mercado. Official score, 6-4. 2-point lead by Team Petrogas. Ba't nagpapalibero siya? Soliman, nandun si Mr. Rizka. But in the end, chooses Rodas. 100 save by Sanchez. To Kalita. Outside. Now serving for Team Fairline Pro Smashers, Mr. Rizka. Nice receive. Team ball chooses Soliman. Block. Nice block there. Official score, deadlock 6. Still serving. Rizka. Seven, 6, change favor. Serving, Rizka, 3-point lead by Team Fairline. Received by Vizcara. Team ball chooses Mercado. Straight to Mr. Rizka. Musti! Kaganado? Signing dive. Now serving, Rizka. Apat na po ang kalamangan. Mabubuhay pa kaya ang Team Petrogas. Soliman. Nice good! Yan! Binubuhay yung Mr. J. Pineda! Sanchez, big ball to Soliman. Soft. Official score, 7-11. 4-point lead by Team Fairline. Nice receive by Mamang to Soliman. Straight to Batiller. Binigay kay Downing. Yung bike down. Now serving Soliman for Team Petrogas. But in their chooses Rodas. Alta, tinilin na yung shit. Uy, bakit? Low. Rodas, as dito na mo Mamang. Ilaban niyo para kay Mamang. Hindi kita mo kami referee. Utos na Petrogas. Naglak na yung Rodas yung net. Check! Agad ay makasak bungo! Pagpatulot! Hashtag, Bisaya pa! Isa pa daw Rodas! Matigas siya! Nice save by Mr. Rizka! Yan! Kailangan ng Petrogas oxygen. Serving, Soliman. Serving! score? Thank you, Ben. Deadlock 11. Soliman still on the service. Nice iwas by Mami Beck. Ay, natapundyan po yung bola ng Rotas. Di na yung bola ng Rotas. Vivan Pineda. Nice receive by Pescara. Team ball chooses Kalika. Layo, eh. Masala po. Score! 13-11. 2-point lead by Team Creamline. Soliman. Ayan na siya, Mr. Pineda. Unbreakable. Ayan na. Bako! Ay, shit. Score! 14-11. 3-point lead by Team Creamline. Outside! Yun, lumabas. Sa mga may initiative po, pag-ikuha yung bola, thank you. Survey, Kalika, thank you, man. Tahan lang. Kalika, nice save. Timboso sa Spinetta. Sana. Pineda to Buscala. Nice save. Busli with the back row. Timboso sa Buscala again. Good. Everyone, let's wait for the official call ng referee. Serve with Benji. High ball service. Nikki, chooses Pineda! Ay, shit, di pa pinagbiglan.